In the opulent opera of algorithmic absurdities, where EAs proclaim prosperity yet proffer penury, I've been the wry ringmaster reigning over the US30 Scalper EA v1.0 MT5 on my IC market circus for months. And zounds, it's scaled my stakes to plus 106% gains with the flair of a financial farceur. A Telegram trickster even touted it as the EA that scalps indices like a barber on bonuses. And after its droll dominion over downturns, I'm duty-bound to declaim this drollery. Hearken to my review of this scalping sovereign supreme. The zip folder for the US30 Scalper. EA v1.0 MT5 disrobes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract here liberates the MT5 file, setfile, and a manual as terse as a taxman's tease. I ferried the MT5 to MT5's experts enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the US30 Scalper EA v1.0 MT5 to US30's M15 proscenium, invoked the set file,